Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Muhammad Usman Khan, your physics teacher from Peshawar Model School, Nowshera campus. This is lecture 1 for the month of August for grade 8. Dear student, as you know that SVT for the month of April and May have included in the assessment of July. Similarly, the weightage of SVT of June and August will be included in the assessment of September. Dear student, those who have not taken their SVT, they must collect it from school office as early as possible. Furthermore, those students who are still not the part of Zoom classes, they must join Zoom classes, then you will be able to get a good marks. Dear student, in this SVT for the month of August, you have oral learning of chapter number 1, physical quantity and measurement from the notes. And you have written work question, read chapter number 1, physical quantity and measurements carefully and answer the following question. Dear student, question number 1, what is the necessity of some unit as fundamental units? Answer, to maintain the uniformity in the measurement, certain set of fundamental units are selected. These units are followed worldwide. If we do not select some unit as a fundamental units, then to every physical quantity a separate unit will be required, and hence it will be very difficult to remember all the units. By select fundamental units, the units of other physical quantity can be expressed in terms of these fundamental units. Hence, all the units of physical quantity can be easily obtained. And you have question number 2. Does the magnitude of the physical quantity depend on the system of unit chosen? क्या magnitude of physical quantity, magnitude means मिकदार, वो डिपेंड करती है सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट पर? सो आंसर, yes, magnitude of physical quantity depend on the system of units, because when we change the system of units from one system to another one, the magnitude also change. For example, in MKS system, the unit of length is meter. For example, the length of the body is 2 meter in MKS system. Now we change the system of unit from MKS to FPS. So the unit of length in FPS system is foot. So the magnitude will be changed. So the magnitude would be 6 feet instead of 1 meter, because 1 meter is equal to 3 feet. Now change the system of unit from MKS to CGS system. So in CGS system, the unit is the unit of length is centimeter. Now change the system of unit from MKS to CGS, and this system of unit, the unit of length is centimeter. So the magnitude will be 200 centimeter instead of 2 meter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we conclude that the magnitude of physical quantity depend on choice of the system of units. That's all. Thanks for your attention.